beautiful night, and we call it Bellemote. Look at the skies, they have stars in their eyes, on this lovely Bellemote.